Hello everyone from Style Technology. I will show you today Volvo VNL US10 truck AdBlue emulator connection. We did emulator connections from ACM socket. ACM socket is here. Pin 10 and 14 of the ACM socket is CAN cables. Pin 10 is green and CAN low from ACM socket is connected to emulator green. Pin 14 is CAN high. It's yellow cable on the ACM socket is connected to emulator yellow. Pin 58 is ground. It's connected to our emulator black cable. We cut it pin 3 and we connected our emulator red cable to vehicle side of 3 cable. Let's continue with dashboard. Here it is. As you see, there is nothing error or anything. It's working correctly. RPM is high. Everything works correctly. There is nothing error. Connections are done. See you later. Bye bye.